Today is Wednesday and we are gonna go fishing. And I forget which lake this is, but I'll find out in a bit.
I don't have your...
You've been on a boat before?
Yeah, I went on a boat. I would concept now.
A fishing boat?
No.
How old are you?
Let's see if I fall in the water.
Stand up. You're scared, don't go.
But I want to go, but I'm scared.
Do you need me to push you in?
No! I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Let go.
Let's go.
Come that way.
I think I'm brave enough to put my head in.
Okay, do it.
That didn't even work.
Oh, there you go, raccoon.
Where is it?
Let me hit you one raccoon. Ooh, digging. Digging. Ooh, Shane, don't touch him. Shane, don't touch him.
Is that the... where is that? Where is it?
That's a pretty big one.
2-pounder.
How did I even know?
2.84.
It's not her.
Oh.
Calm down. Okay, calm down. So I'm guessing you're surprised? We're like, so we were like, dude, the black Elaine is probably so mad at Elaine right now because he's stalling so hard.
Because the back road, and I'm like, where the fuck is
I went to the liquor store.
She was mad. She's like, oh, this guy's gonna get drunk today. I know it.
Okay, let's all get together. Okay, tall, which is in the back.
Okay, so Chris went to that smoke.
I don't know.
I don't even know. He went to some smokehouse barbecue place or
Truck.
Yeah,
Food
food truck. And so this is how it looks like. Pretty good.
It's beef rib.
Oh, okay, I'll cut that out.
The
Okay,
beef
so
rib is good.
Yeah, the beef ribs is really good.
Yep. It's tender. It's fall off the bone.
Can you speak louder?
It's fall off the bone. Yeah. You know, beef ribs tend to be a little tough, but this one so far is not bad. Gotta hit it with some pepper though. I don't know how I feel about the barbecue sauce, but
Barbecue sauce. What barbecue sauce? Oh, that's the barbecue sauce.
good.
Is there rice with that? Oh, they give you sticky rice. And then they also, oh, that must be coleslaw. We did the 3 sides with that plate.
Which one do you want?
Let's try. Was the pepper one good?
It's not spicy. But here.
The lighting's actually alright.
That's nice though.
Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi, cat.
Hi.
So we're done watching fireworks.
It's crazy. Back then, the Hmong community ruined this.
It wasn't?
No.
Those are. Those ones are a little too.
Happy July 5th.
Oh my god. Did not put this in the video. Yep.
I don't even know why I'm going to Colombia buying some fishing stuff when I don't even go fishing.
Get your ghetto ass hands out of here. Anyways, we're gonna go down to Colombia over in Egan. We're gonna go shopping for clothes for fishing.
That I don't even go fishing. I don't even go fishing.
She don't know how to fish, so it's okay. Anyways, she's driving. She's a little butthurt that she has to drive too. Oh, she's just been butthurt all weekend. I don't know why.
Have I?
Yeah. She got a big ass cockroach in her ass. Ain't that right?
What?
Ain't that right? Say yes. Just say yes.
No. No. Can you put on your seatbelt, please?
Oh yeah. So we're trying out the new camera. We're gonna go to Colombia. She's gonna go buy some fishing clothes that she lost at the lake because she was being lazy. You know, she took it off and set it on top of the deck instead of putting it away like I saw she should have. So that shirt went bye-bye. And
Bye-bye.
she's a little butthurt about it. How butthurt? Really butthurt. But it's okay. 'Cause you know what? It's not my shirt. It's her shirt.
And it was expensive.
It was not expensive. You bought from Columbia on this 30% discount rack.
No,
Lying to
and
yourself.
with your gift card.
Yeah, with my gift card too.
So it was like only what, maybe
Like,
$5?
Yeah, it was a $5 shirt that she was
But
tripping
shoot,
about.
now I gotta pay out of pocket, and that's expensive. Okay,
Yeah, if you guys didn't know, Leah's on
it's frugal.
frugal, cheap ass. I mean, it don't get any more cheap than that.
Put it as.
Have you ever
frugal.
seen a girl go pick up a penny instead of giving it to a homeless? She took it and put it in her purse and she never used it. It's her right here.
You are lying. Oh my god. That was messed up. I did not do that.
That's how cheap she is.
Wow.
She's the type of girl when you go eat out at a restaurant and you put a tip on the table and she goes back in and take the tip.
What?
That's how bad she is.
Whatever. Don't lie now.
Nope, not even lying. So yeah, that's how cheap she is.
I'm not cheap. I just like to save my money for things that I actually really need.
Alright, well, we'll take you back when we get to the store.
So I went to Sierra and I only got one short. I tried on like maybe over 30 items and I only got one thing. So frustrating being a girl. Like nothing fits right. It's funny. It's hot.
Fine. Bacon? I gotta move this camera. Get the net.
It's like going underneath the boat.
Yep. Just keep fishing it. Hold on. Keep going. Hold on. Hold up. Where'd it go?
Underneath the boat.
Alright, reel it. Over here. Yep. Really. Dude. Yeah, you always get lucky, dude.
It looks
Big
small.
Dude, this dude's a
It
big
looks
one.
small.
Big one. Put the rod down. Oh shoot, the camera's taking pictures. Alright, so Leah just caught a big one. First cast.
Yeah, but how much does it
Look at
weigh?
this boy. Hold it. Hold like this. Yep. Bring him up. Yeah.
Was that with the frog? What is that? Like a 1 pounder?
2.
That looks like the one that I just caught.
No, 2. Got it?
Yeah.
Throw my glasses in the bag. Yeah, because you have to pass all of them. You can't go deeper now.